The university system in China. In summary, China has a growing university system that has been the focus of many reforms for more than 10 years. The state wants to make it one of the best in the world and gives itself the means. Numerous agreements with universities of all nationalities are in place, and reform plans are launched so that by 2020, more than 100 Chinese universities reach the top of the world rankings. Establishments to study in China. Higher education in China. Currently, China can count on about 2,000 institutions dedicated to higher education, classified according to several categories in which the training provided is differentiated. The system is generally quite elitist, with fewer and fewer places as the progress in the studies. Only the best can continue to study. The choice of type of school for a Chinese student is based solely on Gaokao, a test administered at the end of secondary education. If he is successful, he will be able to begin studies lasting 4 years and more. If not, he will turn to short professional training in 2 or 3 years, or in the worst case will be excluded from the Chinese university system. Foreign students are not given this test, recruitments being only on file. However, the mastery of a minimum level in Chinese is mandatory to enter a curriculum in Chinese. For those who do not master the language, however, it is possible to apply in English courses, but again, you will have to prove your level. The different university cycles and Chinese diplomas. Universities are classified into different categories, each with different degrees. It takes the following form. The first cycle, it is divided into several degrees that do not open to the same opportunities. The Chinese university system, Dazhuan, Bac +2 or Bac +3. This is a short training of professional type that aims to enter the job market. It does not make it possible to continue studies, at least in the Chinese university system. It is provided in Juuk-type institutions, which represent 58% of the higher education institutions in China. The Benka, Bac +4 level. It is the equivalent of our European license or English bachelor. 37% of institutions in the country are eligible to provide this training. Its obtaining makes it possible to pass the competitions, allowing the continuation of studies. The second cycle. It corresponds to a single diploma accessible by competition only after a Benka or its international equivalents. The Shuoshi level Bac +7, accessible after a Benka or its equivalents. Entry is by competition and places are limited because the institutions offering the Benka may not necessarily offer the Shuoshi. The third cycle, it corresponds to the cycle of the elite, and places are limited. The Boshi, Bac +10 level, accessible after a Shuoshi. For foreign students, it will be necessary to certify of an excellent academic level, but also in English and in Chinese, and to possess at least a master with honors, to see a doctorate.